This video quickly puts you through on how to copy Instagram video link. Let's just get right into it. The first step is to launch your Instagram application. So here I use Instagram app for Android. So I'll tap on it. The next step is to get to the video you want to copy is Instagram link. All right. And here I'm on this particular video. So the next step you need to take to get the link to that video is to tap on the share icon. All right. On tapping on the share icon, you will see some people that are on Instagram, maybe people you have contacted before. They're the first group of people here. Then you will see some applications you can share link with. All right. But our interest is to copy the link. So tap on copy link. You can see the link is copied. So with this, I can send this link as a text message to someone, all right, or even send it to somebody's email address. If I want to send it as a text message to someone, I will get to the message app of my Android phone in this case, all right. So look at the messages app, I will tap on it. So once it opens, the next step is to tap on start chat. Search the contact which probably is already saved on your phone in this case. So let me search on one person. Okay, so when you search for the contact, the email will show up as well as the phone number, right? But in this case, I hid it for security reason. So tap on the contact. Once you tap on the contact, the chat section will open. So tap inside that chat box, then long press on it, then select paste. Because in this case, the link has been copied on the clipboard. Then tap on send SMS. That is the send icon pointing towards the right. So with this, the person will receive this as SMS. And once he or she clicks on that, he or she will be taken to Instagram to view the video. All right. So another way is you can share this link to email address or Gmail. So once you open your Gmail application, tap on compose. Type in the email address or the person you want to receive this link, okay? So after typing the email address, it will show up under, tap on it. Then tap inside this subject area and give it a title. Here my title reads the Instagram link, okay? So tap inside the compose email section, log press on the spot and select paste. Okay, you will see the link has been posted, has been pasted, sorry. Then tap on send button. So this guy will get this link in his email and he will tap on it and watch the video. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. You can also order some of my books or a book of mine on information technology by scanning this QR code here. It's available on Lulu, so you can make a purchase to learn more. Thank you and see you some other time.